This is the audio coming from USB-C. So you can tell it's USB-C because it's lit up. It shows the audio levels as I talk. How cool is that? Hopefully I'm holding it kind of steady. I'm talking kind of weird into it. The end of the microphone's right here. So you do want to talk like this. You don't want to talk like that. That's going to muffle the sound, or back here like that. You don't want to talk like that. You do want to talk directly into this end of the microphone. And before I walk you through all the features, let me just mention this was sent to me so I could test it out. And I'm purposefully, for that reason, not even going to listen to the audio. I don't actually know how it sounds yet. I'm going to let you decide for yourself how you think it sounds, and you can decide if it's right for you. I just want to show you the features as I talk into the mic so you can see the features with me. So far, I'm pretty impressed. It's pretty cool. So you'll notice I've got headphones on. I'm listening to music, but you can actually change the mode like this. And now, if I want to, rather than listen to music, want to listen to the monitoring in the mic, I can change the knob like this. So when it's halfway through, so now I'm monitoring my voice, but also listening to music at the same time. That's kind of weird. If I want to only listen to my voice, I go all the way over here. So my computer audio, I can't hear anymore, but I can hear the monitoring of my voice. I don't know if I've seen that on a microphone before, where it gives you that dynamic option where you can either listen to your computer audio or your monitoring, or a combination of the two, and control it all through the mic. That's kind of unique. And while I'm monitoring my own voice, I do want to try something really quick because I'm not really sure if this has noise cancellation. So to try it out, I'm going to turn on my electric razor. This is a really loud razor. I'm going to turn it on right now, and I can hear it just fine. So I don't think there's any noise cancellation. And the other thing I'm noticing is as I move the microphone, I can hear some of that background noise just from the cord. So I'll try to be more careful as I go through. But let's switch back to the music because I'm jamming out. So right now I hear the music. I don't hear my own voice. Cool feature. Another cool thing is where you see the monitoring for my voice, that's actually a touch screen mute button. So I can press this and it's going to mute myself as I'm talking. So I'm just, oh, it's unmuted. That's pretty cool. So easy way to mute yourself. Let me show you some of the other features. So now we are on the microphone. I've got the gain turned up as much as I can, but I can actually adjust the gain with this mic. I don't want to go down all the way or you won't be able to hear me, but let's go back up. So again, you can use the knob to adjust the gain for the mic on the mic itself. Pretty cool. And then in the middle here, it's for the headphones. So if I want to adjust the volume for, I'm listening to music right now, I can actually adjust the volume. So a lot of control on the mic itself when you are using the USB-C cable. The other thing you can control is there is a button right here. I press that and oh my goodness, look, that looks really cool. This is the first time I've seen this. That's why I'm kind of excited. I didn't know it's going to change the audio gain level to rainbow and the lights to rainbow. If you like colors, I do, obviously. That's kind of a fun feature. So let's see, what are the different modes I can do? I'm just going to cycle through some of these things. So you can have a consistent, steady color, or you can get to the rainbow modes. And hopefully this isn't too loud as I am talking, but it's probably good for you to hear what the volume level is. I'm going to keep it on rainbow. This is pretty slick. Well, this is enough with the USB-C cable. Let's switch over to the XLR cable so you can see what that is like. Okay, so I've switched over to the XLR cable. The obvious difference with this is when you use the XLR cable, you're not going to get the lights or any of that functionality. No monitoring or anything. It is just a straight up mic. Now, the other thing I noticed with this in XLR is the gain level seemed to be down quite a bit. So I've actually cranked up the gain about as high as I can go on OBS. It still seems pretty low. I could do some more tweaks to increase the gain, but that's something to be aware of. I don't know how it sounds on your end. Again, I've never listened to this, but this is what it sounds like when you are in XLR mode. Let me go ahead and show you what you get out of the box, and just keep in mind I am using a different mic when I do the unbox. This is the AM8. So you've got the scissor stand here. You've got a cable for the scissor stand for the RGB light. Then you've got your USB-C to USB-C cable for the microphone. Let's have a look. What I like about this microphone is it is XLR or USB. I'm going to try both. You've also got monitoring, and then you've got your button for the lights. And then it comes with this filter, which I appreciate. This is kind of dense, so that's going to help a bit. The scissor stand is like your typical scissor stand, the main difference being that we can plug it in, and with it plugged in, we have the RGB lights. And if you want to change the color, you've got this button here, so you can do rainbow color like this, or you can just cycle through a bunch of solid colors. Oh, and this is kind of a rainbow streaming. That looks really pretty cool. Oh, look at that. I like that one too. I like these. Ooh, that's pretty cool too. Kind of cycles in and out and goes through the different colors. So pretty cool scissor stand. Well, I hope this video helped. Again, this is what the mic sounds like. If you want the cool features and the colors, you do need to use the USB-C cable. For my videos, I tend to not like the microphone in the shot. So for that reason, I'm probably just going to continue to use XLR. But if you have your microphone in the shot and you want it to show up on the camera and look pretty cool, then I do suggest you use the USB-C cable and get all that functionality. A lot of features with this mic when you use the USB-C cable, really cool.